Hello friends, this is my Windows 10 computer, but I can't find the desktop here, so I am going to fix this issue. Okay, so can you see the notifications area? This is the this area. You can click this one and you can find tablet mode. It is already selected. Click again. It is switched to desktop mode. Also, you can use the shortcut key Windows key plus A. If you use Windows key plus A button, you can switch to tablet mode. If you want to switch to desktop mode, you can press Windows key plus A, tablet mode. Okay, this is a very easy method to switch tablet mode and desktop mode. Thank you very much. Please subscribe to my channel for next video.